Alright guys, so today we're going to ride the elevator at 120 West Eastman in Arlington, Illinois. And look at this. It's an old Otis with black buttons. Look at this. So now we're going to head to 3. Oh, look at this. They did the cab. And yeah, so this is why I wanted to come in here. Show you this. Yeah. Doesn't this look amazing or what? Yeah. So here's the indicator. So I watched the indicator, and by the way, it's actually got this indicator was replaced by Adams. Like this used to have an older Otis indicator. So here we are up at 3, and let's send it down to 1. And yeah, since you've never been in the elevator, I'm gonna let you push the button the whole time. So let's get cab view, and they actually did the cabinets. Like I think before it used to be like wooden or something, but yeah. Focus. Let's focus. There, it's focused. Oh, here is your indicator up there. Here are your fixtures, and your phone right there. Now, do I just want to go up the 2-seater floor or no?
Let's just read the video.
Yeah, because I actually did find out that this is not public property, so we're gonna watch this close up and then get out of here before like someone reports us leaving this property. So that's it.